This is a DDAmanda video on Blue Fire Equipment Corp, symbol BLFR. Now, this caught our attention initially with this huge 6,000 factor, followed by a 12,000 factor. Uh, I mean, just insane. I mean, she was bebopping along here at 0029 and just went absolutely crazy and has continued to go crazy, and we're going to go into why. Right now you got a 200-day high, dollars traded. You got a 200-day high on the price, and she closed at the high of the day, up 73% today. So let's start off with a chart. So I'll push the chart button here and take a look at this. I mean, talk about a stairway to heaven, right? I mean, this is the log chart. I wonder if I can get it without the log. Oh yeah, let's see if I can do that. I don't think I can on this. Anyway, there's your chart. So what happened here? Um, well, initially they had news on um, let me find it. Well, they went current, okay, on 10/19. So, shoot. I gotta get organized here. Alright, here we go. So, here she gets current on 10/19, okay? So, let's look at some financials and the share structure. Um, let's look at here. Let's look at the summary first. What is this company? Okay, specialized in emerging industries acquisitions, and just recently acquired Screaming Eagle Partners, and we'll get into that. So your share structure is 2 billion authorized. Now, this is a holdover from before, and it's going to go away. It's going to go down, and I'll address that later. Right now, we have an outstanding of about 34 million shares, unrestricted 15, or held at DTC, about 12 million float. So let's look at financials. Let's look at the balance sheet annually. This is in thousands. So they got 38,000 assets. This is all going to change, of course. Your total assets here are 3 million. Liabilities, nothing. I don't see any debt. So there's your balance sheet. Now let's turn to news. So the main news item is, right after they, got current, they acquired the Screaming Eagle Partners here. So let's check the details on this. Who is Screaming Eagle? Well, they're an oil and gas company out of Texas, and the Blue Fire, they acquired 90%, and Buffalo's still going to hold 10%. So uh, the company is going to own 90% of it. So what do these guys have? Okay, they have some reserves of 242. Is this in millions? Uh, a lot of reserves here. Last year they pulled out revenues of about $4 million, net income of 922. They issued preferred shares for this. And let's see what else here. There's something in here. Oh yeah, look at that. They've got a lot of drill sites here. You guys can read this on your own time. 700 acres here. And here's their plan, BLFR. They're going to engage a firm to go up to uplist to NASDAQ. This is a brand new company, guys, okay? They're going to get PCAOB auditor. They're going to cancel 18 million shares of the company's stock outstanding. That'll knock it way down. They're going to change the name of the stock symbol, create a website, branding and marketing, all this good stuff. And I like the way that they write these news. It's pretty transparent. Um, they explain in detail what it is. I like that. So let's look at their Twitter. Here's their Twitter account, and they've done recent tweets. I like the fact that they're doing tweets, okay? You've got the latest one, which was today. Had a call today with the firm to assist on going to NASDAQ. They're gonna do that. They may do it organically. They may not even have to do any kind of a split or anything. Here's some pictures of the oil, gas and oil thing they just acquired. They got their current status. Okay, look at this. This is interesting here. They did a reserve study of the wells report valued at 96 million in the present and 142 million in the future. So this company is really going to grow, guys. And last but not least, I went out and talked with the CEO today, and they picked up right on the first ring almost. So, which was good to hear. And we had a nice chat. I talked to him about reducing the authorized. That $2 billion is like a turd in a punch bowl. Guys, don't be afraid of that. It's not. These guys aren't going to dilute. He's talking about a max outstanding of around 250 million. And he is projecting they're working on more acquisitions. Okay. So, in my opinion, this is going to be a huge company, guys. My investment strategy is to wait for no-brainers. And that's always been successful for me. You wait for a no-brainer, and you go in heavy, and it will turn out great. And that's what we did here. Anyway, guys, I hope this was informative, and I'm looking for great things to happen here. And have a good rest of the week. All right. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. and some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.